Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Michelle. I am a fashion and lifestyle content creator and would really love it if you would consider subscribing. Today I'm going to be reviewing and trying on some pieces from the company Mott and Bow. Mott and Bow kindly reached out to me and asked if I wanted to review some of their pieces and try them out, and I said yes. After looking at their website, I saw that they were more of a basic driven company, really known for their denim. I love basics. If you've been following me for a while, I always talk about how I love pieces that are really transitional, and that's one of my favorite things about basic pieces, is something that I can lounge in and be comfortable in or wear out. Not that we have many night outs these days, but you know what I mean. So thank you to Mott and Bow for gifting me a few of their pieces. I'm really excited to share with you guys what I got. I have been trying them out for the last month and I have been living in them. The first item, without a doubt, is the piece that I have worn the most. I'm not joking when I say I wore this shirt like 3 or 4 days in a row. Maybe more. Like all through Christmas, I wore this shirt. It is one of their basics. This is their black long sleeve shirt. I got this in a size medium. It feels like butter. This shirt is so cute. I love how lightweight it is and how comfortable it is. I'm not joking, you guys. I wore this so much in the month of December. The moment I got it and tried it on, I just like could not stop wearing it. I even like wore this to sleep one night because it's that comfortable. So this is like one of my favorite pieces. If you guys are looking to try out something from them outside of their denim, like one of their basic pieces, highly recommend their top. I really think that it would be great to try out some of their standard like t-shirt styles for summer, so really excited. But yes, love this piece. Next is this sweater top. Now this is like a cable knit. I am obsessed with this. I got this in a size large. I am tall, I have broad shoulders. I've talked about this before on my channel, so I went for a size large. I'm glad I did because it is more of a shorter fit. It's not too long, but it isn't cropped, but I feel like it's like the perfect length for my height, and I love it. It's super thick, super comfortable, but because it is knitted, there are like some like opening pieces here. So if you're in an extremely cold climate, you probably could wear this on its own and be totally warm because it is a warmer piece, but you could always like layer it up. I would highly recommend, like if you had the white one of this, you could wear it over this, and I think that if you're in a colder climate, this together would be a great combo. I love it. I feel like it is perfect for the season, the fall and winter. And I'm also like incredibly obsessed with this color. I love neutrals, if you couldn't tell. And this is not only beautiful, but it's incredibly cozy. So love this cable knit. The next item I got is a scarf, and you guys, this scarf is so cute. It's also nice and long. What's great about the length is that you can wrap it around a couple times. It's not so thick that it's just like bunched up and you feel uncomfortable. It's kind of like that perfect knit. And what's great about this is it actually has this little like hole right here, which allows you to wrap around the scarf, and then you can take the scarf and feed it through, and then it kind of just stays together, which is so nice. Your scarf isn't going everywhere, it kind of just stays together. You could also wrap it like once or twice and then stick it through. Very comfortable. It was pretty cold. I work in a very cold office and I have been wearing this nonstop while working. It's super cozy, it's not itchy at all, and I love it. It's perfect. Next up is their denim. I have 2 pieces of denim. Denim isn't the easiest item for me to always find. Because I'm longer, I can't always find things that are long enough to fit the length of my leg, but I was pleasantly surprised with this brand that I was able to find denim that was long enough for me, so I went for 2 different styles. The first style I went with was their high-rise skinny. I love these. They are like a perfect blue denim, and what's great is these are long enough on me, which is so nice. I can't tell you guys like how often denim isn't long enough, and I really wanted to get a skinny jean that was long enough so that way I could put it into a pair of boots without it kind of moving around, or maybe be able to fold it up and wear it with some heels or sneakers. These are also so stretchy and so comfortable. I love how high-waisted they are, and I feel like they're a really flattering fit. They're super comfortable to wear. I've been wearing these to work and they honestly just are not uncomfortable at all. I could do a full work day sitting in an office in these and they don't bother me at all. I don't have any true like blue skinny jeans, so I was super excited to get these and to try them out, and I've been loving them. The next style that I picked up was the boyfriend fit, and I decided to get these in the black. These definitely have more of a cropped fit because that's kind of how boyfriend jeans are. And I love these. These are, again, just like the last pair, super, super comfortable. They've got a nice little stretch to them. Not so much that they don't feel like a real denim, but they've got a good stretch. They move with your body, which I love. They are super comfortable, and I've really loved styling these jeans and wearing them all month. Unlike the skinny jeans, these are not skinny. They've got more of a wider leg at the bottom, which is typically my preferred style with denim. Yeah, I love these. Just such a great basic denim to have. I've been wearing these 5 pieces a ton since I've got them, so I thought I would go ahead and show you guys just a couple different ways that I liked to style these pieces in the last month.
Sweet tooth for you. I'm looking for a bit of sugar. Lucky me, it's my cheat day, 'cause I'm feeling for you lately. Just a little taste, it could do me good. Extra for the road if you kindly would. Can't sleep till I get my fix. So sweet, like candy.